How to change password in Duolingo. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you some easy steps on how you can change password in Duolingo application. It is an easy and simple process, so let's get started. Firstly, open your Duolingo application and tap on your avatar head. Again, click on the gear shift icon in the upper right corner. Now you will be appeared to your profile info in your Duolingo application. Now from the different options, tap on the password and enter your old password. Again enter your new password and confirm it by rewriting it. After confirming your password, tap on save button and again click on the save button. After that, your password in Duolingo application will be changed within some seconds. I hope this video was helpful and you are able to change password in Duolingo application. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe for more informative contents. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.